Hi, my name is Jason, a comfort consultant at N.E.T.R Inc. We're here today in North Beverly installing a Mitsubishi single-zone ductless system at Engrid's split-level home. Ingrid, can you tell us why you chose N.E.T.R to come out and give you a consultation?
Yes, we moved in this home about 9 years ago, and every year we put AC units in the window, and every year in the kitchen, for the kitchen living room, we put in this large, loud unit that really takes up so much time and energy.
Why did you choose N.E.T.R as your contractor?
I chose N.E.T.R because of the customer service. I always love to connect with people, and right away I got that connection with Victoria, Gina, and with you. And so when immediately after you left, my husband and I called and we decided to book you and ensure that we had that installation. I'd recommend N.E.T.R to friends, family, and neighbors. This has been a wonderful experience, and I'm looking forward to a cool, comfortable home.
Great.